channel. I am your Samrat Sakya. In last topic I said you in chemistry spectrum topic. So today we are going to episode 2 in chemistry. Today we have to learn about spectrum, continuous spectrum, discontinuous spectrum, dispersion and absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. In these both we have continuous emission spectrum, continuous band spectrum and continuous line spectrum, and this observation continuous spectrum, observation line band spectrum and observation line spectrum. So guys, here we go to the definition. Spectrum. Spectrum. What is meant by spectrum? Here is the definition. When a beam of white light is passed through a prism, the light splits into 7 colors: violet, indigo, brown, green, yellow, orange, red with jar. The splitting of white light into 7 colors known as dispersion. In last episode, one boy something asked me this: what is the difference between the dispersion and spectrum? Here the difference between the dispersion and spectrum is, dispersion means only the when white light is splitting from a prism into 7 different colors only. It's also called as dispersion. Spectrum means a group of orderly arranged wavelengths passing in a line is also called as spectrum. This is the difference here, and this is the definition of. Okay guys, if you understand the difference between the dispersion and spectrum, I will say again one more time again for you. Dispersion, spectrum. Difference between dispersion and spectrum is, dispersion when a white light is passing through a prism divides into 7 different colors with jar. Is also called as dispersion. And the definition of spectrum is when a group of orderly arranged wavelengths, arranges this passing through a prism or line moment. Okay, means it was called as spectrum. Here guys, we go to the next definition. Observation spectrum. When a beam of white light is passed through a substance and the transmitted light, which is the light passed, the transmitted light is analyzed. It is also known as observation spectrum. Very easy. When a beam of white light is passed through a substance, and the transmitted light means the light which is passed through a substance is also known as transmitted light is analyzed. It is also known as observation spectrum. It contains dark lines on the bright background. Bright background. The dark lines are due to the observation of the corresponding radiation. The dark lines are by the atoms present in the substance. The atoms present in the substance are radiated by the observation spectrum. The dark lines are on the bright background. This is the definition of observation spectrum. So guys, here we go to the next definition. Emission spectrum. When a substance is heated, the electrons in the atoms will be excited. When the substance is heated only. Thus the excited electrons return into their normal energy states. From excited state. The substance gives off light. The substance which is excited came from excited state to normal energy state, that gives off light of a characteristic color. When this light is allowed to pass through a prism, we get an emission spectrum. It contains bright lines on the dark background. So guys, again I will say you, when a substance is heated, the electrons in the atoms will be excited. As these excited electrons return into their normal energy states, this substance gives off light of the characteristic color, one color. When this light is passed through a prism, we get an emission spectrum. So it contains bright lines on the dark background. Okay. So here we go to the next definitions. Emission spectrum, there are 3 types: emission continuous spectrum, emission line spectrum and emission band spectrum. And next type, observation spectrum. In there also 3 types: observation continuous spectrum, observation line spectrum, observation band spectrum. So here we go to the type 1 emission spectrum. In this type 1 emission continuous spectrum, in this the light, the source emitting the substance is in the incandescent light or solid, liquid or gas is also called as emission continuous spectrum. So here the examples are hot filament, hot iron, like etc. Next here we go to the emission line spectrum. The source of light means the light which is in the atomic size, means atomic state means the light which is passing is in the atomic state is also called as an atomic line spectrum. We will go to the next type in emission spectrum, emission band spectrum. In this the emitter, which is the light emitter, is in the molecular state. The molecular state, the atoms will be excited. Then the molecular state, the emission band spectrum, the atoms will release so many bands, means emission bands it will release. So it in this state it's also called as emission band spectrum. Okay. Next you will go to the observation spectrum. In this type 1 observation continuous spectrum, in this the wavelengths, means the wavelengths which are coming from the sunlight or light something, it will be absorbed by the observation continuous spectrum. Okay, next we will go to the observing line spectrum. In this the observing line spectrums means the wavelengths which are coming from a light or sunlight something, vapors like, it will be absorbed like a vapor or a gas emission, it will be absorbed. Next emission line spectrum. Okay, in this observation band spectrum, the observation spectrum is of the dark bonds is also called as observation band spectrum, means the dark bonds are also observed by the observation band spectrum. So guys, here we explained so many topics today in chemistry topics. Okay guys, then please subscribe my channel Smart Samrat Sakya, comment, like, share my channel. Thank you.